Hi, my name is Dunya and I'm the Academic Manager at OKTOPI. On OKTOPI, you can have a supervising role. First, you need to register yourself as a student, then start registering the children you are supervising. Simply click on the profile icon on the left side of the page and click My Profile. Then select Students and then Add Student. Enter the necessary details to register your child and click Register. Your child will then have their own login information, but you can continue to supervise their activities. To edit your child profile, click Students, and next to the child's name, you will see a pen icon that indicates you can edit the child profile. You will also see an arrow symbol if you would like to invite another guardian. In order to see the list of schools that your children are enrolled in, click on Schools. You can directly access one of the schools and be able to see the classes available, the calendar of activities, and directly communicate with the teacher in the school by clicking on their name, and you can enter a text, attachment, or even send an audio message. If you would like to see your children that you are supervising and their activities, click on the profile, and under Supervising, click on the child's name. The platform will automatically switch to your supervising profile. That way, you could see the activities that are scheduled for your child. You could go ahead and see any type of classes they're enrolled in, and even oversee the communication between the teacher and the child inside the global chatting system. However, you will not be able to interact unless you are doing it directly from your profile. And to go back to your original account, all you need to do is click Switch Account. Having a supervising role will allow you to closely follow up on your supervised children's studies.